In this video, I'm going to show you how I taught a Walmart worker how to sell boner pills and he quit that job.
You can stalk it yourself. I'm out of here, bitch. I'm rich.
Dropped it like a hot potato. Okay, so this is pretty easy, guys, okay? The way it goes is like this, okay? First off, you get yourself a traffic junkie account. Anyone can get one, and you can harness super cheap traffic, and it's targeted. See, Traffic Junkie is the network that allows you to run ads on adult websites like Pornhub. Next up, we're gonna sign up as an affiliate promoting Seminex. We're talking male enhancement. You've probably seen commercials for Seminex all over Pornhub. You might go there in your free time when your boss isn't looking or you're having private time. I don't have a boss, so whatever. So anyway, once you're approved, which is super easy, you're going to get an affiliate manager. Her name is Darcy. She'll help you out with some of the questions that you have. At least she'll always reply to you. But her understanding of affiliate marketing is not anywhere as much as what you're getting here in this video because I know my stuff. But the good news is that when you are approved, you'll get a big fat commission every time you sell an order of Seminex. So create your first campaign with Traffic Junkie. The most important thing to do when creating your Traffic Junkie campaign is to select your keywords. This is real targeting. You're gonna want to select keywords that I don't even want to mention in this video, but you can see which kinds of keywords I am selecting. And then ads are going to be shown to people who are interested in this stuff only. We don't show ads to people who aren't interested. They're interested in something else, okay? And you want to make sure that they're being shown only to men, okay? Sure, there's probably females that purchase this for their men or their boy toys, but the results I've gotten are using these parameters. So, United States, men, age bracket, and then the keywords. You get the drift. Now upload the creative that you get from the Seminex affiliate dashboard. They've got cool GIFs. Again, I can't show them really in this video because they're really hardcore, but they work well. Start running your campaign and you'll see some ad spend here. Only 69 cents spent. And then dun da da da, that's a commission of $61.98. This is profit right there. And then this was the actual campaign I did with a student. This is beautiful. This is the first money that he's ever made online.
Yeah.
And I mean, look, usually affiliate marketing does require a complex understanding of business. It's usually much harder than business models like domaining, a logo agency, but this one is truly a rare hidden jewel in the universe of affiliate marketing. And it's actually surprisingly easy to do, okay? So I hope you appreciate me leaking this info, making that connection. Traffic Junkie to Seminex. All right, those two things work with each other. It's like yin-yang, pork and beans, peanut butter and jelly. And if you want more insane commission siphoning strategies, make sure to visit onlinegoldmine.com. It'll kick some sense into you. And check out my student, Pink Ninja, at pinkninja.org. And hey, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos, and I will see you soon. Thank you.